Hello everyone. In this class, we'll talk about natural resources, chapter 14. This will be the first part of the video, and in the next video, we'll complete this chapter. Since there are many of you who cannot join the online class, I want you to watch this video till the end. So, chapter 14, natural resources. You already heard about this in the lower classes. So, what is natural resources? All the varieties of substances that we get from the earth and nature to meet our basic needs are called natural resources. Natural resources kan ti chuan kan mamo chi hrang hrang hemi khovela tanga kan nei the ang chi ho kha entirnan water, soil, air kan ti ang chi te coal, petroleum fuels kan ti ang chi zong zong te khang zong zong kha atel veka. And this natural resources is broadly classified into two types: inexhaustible and exhaustible natural resources. Inexhaustible exhaustible in then shranga. Chuan in exhaustible natural resources raw pokhan renewable resources le non-renewable resources a khan in then sang le ta. Exhaustible natural resources kan ti ang chi chu forest wildlife minerals kan ti ang chi khang ral thei ang chi khani ta khang ro po khan renewable le non renewable om ta a renewable a chuan soil te forest te wildlife kan ti ang chi te hangawi renewable ani a replenish the ni ma se it took a long time to renew this type of resources chuwang chuan a renew chung kha a cycle kha a re wangin exhaustible chung a khanda anita ni heki renewable ni ma se a renew chung a re ni. For example, if you're going to recreate that forest, it will take many years more. Soil kan tiang chi te po soil inches khat siam tur po khanin hun kharei lu tuk tak mai kha amamo awangin renewable ni ma se exhaustible noya khanda ani manral thei khami ai athar in siam chung aya kan man kha achak view chuan exhaustible ani ve thone non renewable kan tiang chi ho phei chu minerals kan ti te fossil fuels kan ti te hei petrol te khang ang chi ho zong zong kan man a zo duak ang chi nakin loka kan ama kan ren chem lo chuan khovela man tur kan nei lo tur ang chi ho kha anita a chuan inexhaustible a chuan kan man zo mai thei lo ang chi sun energy te wind energy te geothermal kan ti ang chi khang energy ho kha inexhaustible energy alone ta ne next a chuan in lithosphere earth crust. Earth is the only planet where life exists. You already know that. Why engwangin nge i khovel chokha life omna ani na chan a chan chu number 1 a chuan there is suitable temperature a temperature hi life form ata na tok chi ani mun lum lutuk mun salutuka chuan nun na neyan om theilo mun vot lutuka po nun na neyan om theilo. So the earth is the place where we get that range of temperature where life can exist. Chuan the earth is the only place known to man country thei china chuan water le food min provide thei tu om chung kha only the planet earth. Okay. And number 2 chuan a chan le chuan the presence of available natural resources on the earth khovela resources kan nei the angkha planet anga mu tur om lo. Number 3 chuan the energy from the sun. Energy from the sun kha tuna kan mu dan to ka kha I atok chi in kan mu ne. Oh, these resources are land, water, and air. Some of the related terms are as follows. The first one is lithosphere. What is lithosphere? Kan ti chuan if you look at this picture uh lithosphere kan ti chuan hetilaya mi hinita earth crust kan ti kha I khomual kan ti taka kha lithosphere ikon lithosphere aneta chuan next a hydrosphere kan neya hydrosphere chu the portion covered by water, that is hydrosphere. Next we have atmosphere. Atmosphere kan ti chun boruak himi kan khovel tuam tu boruak atmosphere kan ti chun ita. Next a chun biosphere oma. Biosphere a chuanin it consists of this region where some part of lithosphere is included, some part of hydrosphere, as well as some part of atmosphere, where life form is found. Bio means life. Kan ti kha kan soi photo kha. Okay. Biosphere. Living organisms are found where all of the three resources, lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere, are found interacting with each other. Kang ho kan hu khom the na huna khan hun kata om khom the na huna khan life form om thina kha kha biosphere. Biosphere a hian biotic component le abiotic component om boka biotic component ho chu biosphere a nun na nei ho om ho khan ta abiotic components chu nun na nei lo ho entinan heng air, water, sunlight, etc. Kang ho khan ta ni. Next we have the breath of life, air. Air hi apoi mo sia kan hrevek to a mo air hian air hi egin nge siam kan ti chuan the composition of air lo entai la heta hian air composition kha texa khan in page 308 a khan table number 2 composition of air oma nitrogen atam bera boruak kan ti a hian nitrogen atam bera 78.08% vel ania hetilai figure hi chuan 78% ang vel approximately na ron la a chuna dot le chun oxygen ania oxygen chu 20.94 21% angin tain approximately na ron da le ta nitrogen le oxygen atam bera adota argon kha 1% vel a oma 1% ting lo thet chuan apak zong chu 0. Something percent ang kha other gases like methane, hydrogen, helium, krypton, xenon kan tiang chi khang gases ho khanin aron no khat ve ta ni chuan carbon dioxide hi 0.032% vel a oma air composition a hian ma se kha helaya a ratio hi oxygen 21% vel nitrogen 78 vel le argon 0.9% 1% vel hi apoi mo em ani carbon dioxide 0.032% vel hemi ratio hi adang lam na sat lutuk chuan life form so khan an tur do na abik takin kemani human being so pokhan kan tur na sadon ani achan chu hemi ratio hi adang lam na sat lutuk chuan for example oxygen, if you burn up oxygen it will produce carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide kan ti te khang ho kha asiam ta carbon dioxide kan ti hi greenhouse gases kan ti ang chi khani wangin khang ho kha apun na sat lutuk chuan global warming kan ti te khang kha effect tam tak kha anei chho the ani chuwang chuanin hemi ratio hi kan maintain that angai em human activities hrang awang hian hemi ratio hi aboi chho tran meka chu chuan problem tam tak asiam the ani tilai hian in planets and the atmosphere omta atmosphere kan ti hi tuna air kan soi mek nen kan related ani wangin hetilai hian kan da langa Mars le Venus ade po khanin atmosphere chu a om ve tho ani ma se khang ha khan most of the air is composed of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide de uvek ani awang khan earth in and chuan carbon dioxide hi 0.03% chau ania chuan average temperature of the earth hi 15 degrees Celsius bor vel ania chu a temperature kha anuam tok ani human being te tan pokhan life form tan khan atha a Venus a chuanin 96% vel carbon dioxide ani wangin temperature kha ni atang anhai boxia kha planet kha asil thatok lawani kha atmosphere khan chuwang chun average temperature poka 420 degrees Celsius velanta asa em maine you know that water boils at 100 degrees Celsius and the planet Venus kha average temperature chu 420 degrees Celsius ani life form tan khan omhaina omlo shimshima Mars kha kan en le chuan Mars a ve thung chuanin atmosphere kha Mars kha kan en ve le chuan average temperature kha -50 degrees Celsius velani -50 degrees Celsius You know that water freeze at 0 degrees Celsius, minus 50 page of dan tu khangai tu taula living forms tam zokha and survive thei don lawani. If you look at this again, helai table hi en taula an china kan soi kha composition of the atmosphere arta chuanin hei hi china kan soi to kha anita Venus a chuan 96% vel carbon dioxide and 3.5% vel chi nitrogen oma oxygen hi a om le om lo an la zong mek ane argon a hian 0.07% vel argon om via methane om lawa Mars a hian carbon dioxide 95% vel oma nitrogen 2.7% oma oxygen hi 0.13% vel om ve ni chuan argon hi 1.6% vel kan earth nen chuan atmosphere kha ain ang lo em ani. Next, we have a role of atmosphere in climate control. Climate control khan role of atmosphere khan eng nge atho. Number one chuan air as a bad conductor of heat. Air hi bad conductor of heat ani awangin ni atmosphere climate control atan apoi mo ema sun atanga ron kal kha sun energy ron kal kha anna sa ema asa ema chuba ka chuanin harmful radiations kan tiang chi te tam takaron kengta ma se kha sunlight kha earth surface aron thlen ma hian ni atmosphere kha aron pal tangani kha atmosphere kha bad conductor ani wangin sun atanga heat ron kal tamzo kha 20% absorbed by the atmosphere and clouds mo chuwang chuanin sun heat zong kha khovela ron thleng lawa atok chi kha khovela ron thleng tani bad conductor ani awangin chuan zan lama ve thung chuanin kha atmosphere kha bad conductor ani wangin sun om to lo hnu khanin heat kha abong hal vek lawa khovel zana ni om lo hnu vot lu tuk tur laka khan atuam lum vele thung ani. Okay, chuan number 2 chuan distance from the sun. Planet earth hi sun nena an distance hi atok a heat kan hmu dana hi. For example, moon a chuan chhun lama ni a hnai khovel aya ni a hnai zawk awang khan chhun lama temperature sang a alum 110 degrees Celsius vel ania zan lama ve thung chuanin a vot le i minus 200 degrees Celsius don ania kha life form tan khanin life form tur chuan a bol thak ta ni. Number 3 chuan atmosphere as a blanket. Atmosphere as a blanket kan ti chuan it absorb most of the harmful radiations from the sun, more particularly ultraviolet radiations kan tiang chi ho kha ultraviolet radiations kan tiang chi life form tan a hlom turang chi ho kha atmosphere hian in alo absorb vekani chuwang chuan it protects us from the harmful radiation. The movement of air, winds. You know that wind is just a moving air. Engwangin nge air kha ache thin. Why do that air moves? If you look at this figure, you know that cold warm or hot air moves up and cold air moves down. Kha the uneven heat a om awang khan uneven heat at the earth's surface a om khan the movement of air lo om thin ta movement of air a om khan wind kan ti khalo piang thin ta ni sea breeze kan ti le land breeze kan ti atang khanin achiang a hetilai figure kha en taula chuna chuan at noon the land get heated faster because it is a better conductor. Ocean te sea kan ti te ai khan land become heated faster at noon chuan land surface kha asat bzo ka wangin khalaya land surface air ho kha they get heat up and moves upwards chuan kha hot air ho khan cold area lampang kha an pan thina that is sea kan ti ocean kan ti ho kha al chhun lama chuan lo vo zo ka wangin khalama khan an che chho thin ta ni so the warm air that goes up goes towards the sea and since the air is cooler above the ocean atang khan I khomwal lampang kha aron pan thina kha sea breeze kan ti khan itani chhun lama chuan I tui pui lama tang khan khomwal lama te thlir on thoi we thina cool air kan ti kha that is kha a formation a chuni ta zan lama a let ling thok alo om ve le thunga I zan lama chuan in earth crust kha avo chak zo ka wangin alo vot zok ta ma se si kha chu chhun lama ni na hem ni le nga hem to wang khanin I voile khata vot le thut thei si lawa si kha a warm ve zok thung ta chhun lama thil thleng le ting che kha a thleng ve le thung thin ani okay that is how the wind is formed. Next we have the rain. You already know what is rain and how rain is formed. Here if you look at this figure, evaporation kan ti te khang awang khanin I earth crust tui te ocean mi te le hmun sang sang a tui ho groundwater hey luyami te pawh ni ang hmun sang sang mi ho ka when it get heats up it evaporates boruaka a chho wanga chuan chu evaporation atanga droplets of water in siam ho ka when it cools down with the process of condensation no when it cools down it falls back to the earth's surface as rain. That is the formation of rain. Chuan weather forecast vela te engtin nge rain kha khoya nge ruwa sur don ti velan an predict theina chan chu movement of wind atang khan ani wind boruak helai khomwal chunga van sanga wind chevel atang khanin kha ruwa tui keng chu makha khoilam nge apan a speed a wind speed kha engzat nge ti atang khanin naktu ka kha ruwa tui keng chung kha khoilai zona nge omdon khoya nge tlak don ti kha prediction kha siam thei thin ta ni okay next we have the wonder liquid water. Every living beings need water for their survival. So that water is very very important for all living beings. And what is the main uses of that water? Enge kha tui kha kan man tang kai em na mishing ten kan ti chuan we need that water for drinking. Okay, in a tante bathing in bualnante cooking washing khang zong zong kan soi ba ka khan tam tak soi turin la hriang. Next chuan in water exists water hi eng form in nge khovela atam ber kan ti chuan ocean water unusable water kan ti kha 97% vela omani khata tang khanin khomwala tui om zong zong zinga khan fresh water kan ti kha usable ke machine ina kan man the kha 3% vel chawani okay kha 3% vel fresh water kan ti apo khan hetilaya picture kan muang hian kha 3 out of that 3% usable water 75% khachu it is stored in ice sheet and glaciers vur khang ang khan vur khang le glaciers ice sheet and glaciers ang khan kha fresh water kha 75% vel chula oma out of all those liquid out of all those water 97% kha unusable and 3% raw rawa po khan 75% vel kha vur khang angin a oma chuan mihring ina kan man thei fresh water pa ngai chu 25% vel chi alo ni tani in the form of ground water okay helai mi khain en chuan ground water kan ti chu mihring ina in tlak kan ti tlak kan ti ang chi water ho kha ground water ho kha lo ni tani. Next chuan water pollution alo om ta you already are familiar with pollution. Water pollution if you look at this figure there are different ways of polluting the water waste from the industries human waste kan ti plastic le engamo akai noi zong zong ho tren ka pejon garbage te kha drain a ten paya khang zong zong kha river sa kala river sa tang ocean ate lut lia khang zong kha water pollution ani water pollution chuanin engthil nge athen. If you look at this figure you will see those sewage he river a hianin tui a om ti po hriat manglo khopin hring ngul maya hei hi waste tam lutuk awanga microbial growth na salutuk khani tani microbial growth ana salutuk awang khanin kha tuya khanin microbes on pung na sa eme ma sewage kan tiang chi te khang kha pung tawakani khang sewage hawa wang khanin microscopic bacterial kan tiang chi te kha a in siam fakta khang ho khanin tui chunga oxygen kha an eina salutuka tui chunga marine life kan ti sangha te le khatiang nungcha tui chunga om chi ho tan khan oxygen hi tu te atlema tam takte an thi pha thina ni chuan adot le a chuanin high temperature of water ho hi i uh, tuisa tuipuya te rivers ate tuisa alu khan a temperature kha the normal water temperature nen khan alo in an tak lo awang khan kha one form of pollution ani thoni a chan chu marine life on tuya cheng thin nung cha ho tan khanin harsat na tam tak asiam theya next a chuanin use of fertilizers and pesticides fertilizer le pesticides kan ti ho heng ho hi farmland aten han hmangta huan aten han hmangta khang ho kha ruah lo sura ruah in pesticides kan tiang chi ho te kha a len thla luya te tuipuya te len lut lia khang ho kha khang pesticides ho kha helaya tuya cheng nung cha ho tan te khanin alo hlo om ve le a harsana tam tak kha athen thei ani chuan effluents kan tiang chi ho industrial waste kan ti ho a hianin poisonous chemical kan ti te khang ang chi ho sang kha alo om ta chung ho chu an han pai chu kha kha tu ya bok khana lut le thina chu marine life atan khana poi em bok ta ni mo tin e oil spillings om thina ocean a khanin oil phur long lian tak tak te akal thina khang ho te an lo che sual pal te khan oil khan na sa takina bo thina ni khang tuipuya oil bo te khan water kha a pollute na sa em a marine life khan an tur na sa em ani khang water pollution te khanin eng effect nge athen ti kha next a chuanin kan soi le dona helai hi a effect pakhat chau ani ta ni water pollution ina athen chu marine life sanga tele tuya cheng tam tak kha an thi thin ani kha a effect pakhat chau ani mo if you look at your text page 316 number 1 akhan addition of undesirable substance of to the water bodies khang kan waste sang kan pai khom te khan enge athen fertilizers pesticides kan ti te khang zong tui chunga alu khan not only these substances but addition of disease causing organisms like bacteria which cause diarrhea also pollutes water khang ho zong khanin pollution an thena kha nun na nei ho tan alo om phele thung thin ta ne number 2 chuan the removal of desirable substance from water bodies tui a e tuya lo cheng thin thil tam tak e thil tha ho zo ka kha azuk replace thin ani antinan all aquatic plants and animals obtain oxygen from water in which it occurs in the dissolved form tuya khanin oxygen tuya oxygen om ho kha aquatic plants le animals ho khan an hip thina khang ho kha ni khang dissolve oxygen tuya oxygen om ho kha H2O kan ti ang chia oxygen om ho kha water pollutants kan ti khang kan zuk pollute na sada wang khan alo tlem thin ta kha oxygen a tlem awang khan nun na tuya cheng ho khanin harsan nan to vele thung thin ta ni number 3 a chuan water pollution in a thlen pakhat chu change in temperature kha tui temperature kha alo dang ta tui temperature alo dan awang khan e ran nung tam tak tuya cheng chi te in thla pun lama te harsan na an neya tin then khat chu an thi pha thin ta ne kha zong kha tun class atana kan soi kan zir tur ania khata khanin air pollution kha kalo mai pal zewa chuwang chuanin reilote kan soile thua kanga air pollution chung chan chu kan hre nual to a pollutants air pollutants kan ti ho hi no le so ho khan ni ta chung ho chu obnoxious gas an ti obnoxious gas ho chu no2 so kan tiang chi ho khan ni ta ni nitric acid test co kan ti te co2 kan ti te khang ho po khan in air pollution an siam ve thawa main cause chu fossil fuel burning of fossil fuel ani mo fossil fuel ho kan hal khan no te no2 te asiama tin combustion om reng reng hian oxygen kha combustion atan kan hmana chuan co2 te a pe chuak le thin ani khang ho zong zong kha air pollutants ve kan ni fossil fuels baka industries kan ti te industries te hianin air pollution kha asiam na sa ani chuan motor khu atang te khang zong zong burning of fossil fuels atang te khan ani ta chuan effects of air pollution om vele air pollution hianin mihring nun na hianin kan health ta hian kan hrisel na tan hianin apoi theia khang bo ruak thalo kan hi blu na sat chuan kan hrisel na tan apoi thei ni tin khang no le so kan ti bo ruaka alo len chho khanin water droplets bo ruaka om ho nen khan anin combine pal chuan water droplets H2O kan ti ho nen khan an lo in combine ta chu chuan in HNO te alo siam ta chu nitric acid kan ti te H2SO4 kan ti sulfuric acid te lo siam ta chu le alo tlak le khan acid rain kan ti ang kha lo su thin ta ni khang acid rain khan in thil tam tak ati che thina buildings and monuments kan ti te le thil hrang hrang enge plants te thlengpon ati chewak the ni chuan air pollution in a thlen le pakhat chu smog smoke kan ti kha combination of smoke and fog khopui then khata te khopui tam taka te le hmun hrang hrang a chuanin chhum zing lei chhum wak ang chi deuh chhum zing na salut tuk kha awm thina nai vai mai po hmu theilo motor te po tlan hlei theilo khop khan an om thina ni khang zong zong kha air pollution ina asiam vek khani ta ni chuan measures to control air pollution page 313 a khan lo chhiar ula khata khan engtin nge khang zong zong kha kan control theiang number 1 a chuan chimneys should be tall enough chimneys kha sang taka kan ta tur ania tin industries kan tiang chi te khopui chhunga khopui nai vai lu tuka te da lo tu industry a om ani pon industry pakhat aya tam industry tam tak om khom ang chi khan khang khanin pollution kha asiam na sabika tin industries hoina waste an pai tur te filter masak tur harmful waste kha pon lama pailo sham tur khati ang chi te kha kan malak theina ni chu ba kha chuan kan malak theina poim mo lutuk pakhat chu planting of trees tam theng ber kan plants tur ani khang trees kan plant te kha kan enkol chhun chom tur ani because you know that all those trees they refresh those air kha bo ruak kha anti thiang ti mani pollution na salu tuk tur kha aveng thei trees so kan so we have to plant as much possible as trees mo chuan chu baka chuan kan ti le thei pakhat chu motor khang fuel mang ang chi kha atlem thei ang ber man kan tumang okay that's all for this class thank you